Hi YouTube, this is Cameron Simpson from CS Trades 101. How are you here today? I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. This is strictly entertainment purposes. Wow, what a day, what a day. This is pre-market. We're about 4 minutes and 35 seconds before market opens, and we're watching ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. It's at $26.12. That was before when market closed on Friday. Pre-market, we're at $32.20, $6.05 above the close of last market. We're at 23.05% and climbing fast. Holy crow. This is nuts. This is nuts. Okay. A lot of things have happened over the weekend. We're going to dive into that when some more people log on. And wow, this is nuts. I'm very, very glad that I'm part of this. So let's drink some coffee to that. Okay, as usual, I'm just going to log on to the other servers or other platforms here. And beautiful stuff, beautiful. Okay. Hi, Mick. Hi, I see you up on the chat there, Dustins, Mick Dustins. How you doing today, buddy? Did you have a good weekend? Okay, I just wanted to log on there, and yeah, as we know, we weren't open yesterday for the market. The market was closed down in the States, at least down there it was. I didn't bother going on because it just doesn't make any sense, right? To go on without half or over half the market closed. So hopefully everybody had a beautiful weekend. We're gonna actually, I'm gonna jump over to what time do we got here? Yeah, we got 3 minutes. I'm gonna jump over to GME and have a look here. GME is GameStop. It's at, that's a weird number, $222, and it's that was when the market closed on Friday afternoon. It's currently trading pre-market at 233.46, and that's dollars and 11 or 5.18%. Yeah, it's they went down 12%, but they're gaining that momentum back. We are actually going to jump back over to AMC because we want to see it when it opens. I just had to cover that because that's the two. We're up 23% now and climbing. And wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna have a beautiful week here. It's nice. I can't really say that much, right? Don't you hate new shirts? So I'm just gonna get a little bit wound up on coffee here, and somebody drop me a chat if you want to talk. Oh yeah, I'm running on I'm only running on 3 monitors right now. One of my laptop, I took it back, it packed it in. I keep on going through laptops. It's just that I do a lot of software. The thing never turns off. So brand new HP Cook the Biscuit. So they are replacing it for free. I just got to wait for it to show up at my door. So just bear with me because I'm using multiple charts here to do stuff. So when you talk to me on the chat, it might take me a little bit to get to you. It's just that every time I click the I click on to the Webull chart here, that's what I'm using as my my scanner today is Webull. If you know that. Okay, we got about 30 seconds before the market opens, and hope you're all doing well, and thanks for logging on today. I see there's we got a couple people on here on YouTube. We got substantial people on Reddit. And, oh yeah, I forgot to launch to Twitski. But Twits, they're not getting anything today. We're just going to leave that one alone. They can always watch my videos later on. Okay, and Wall Street Breakers, as you know, we're affiliated with them. And everybody on Wall Street Breakers, good morning. Same as Facebook, okay? So, there we go. We just opened it, banged up to 31.89. Wow, this is frigging beautiful. Okay, let's see how this goes. We're actually climbing instead of going down. Yeah, we're actually climbing instead of going down. Usually we get drove down to the next year, right? It's actually building momentum. Oh. Okay, yeah. That's normal. Okay, guys, as you know, These platforms are just dumping their stuff from the long weekend, okay? So it's going to take probably a little bit longer than usual for this to happen, okay? We will have a bloodbath today for the next week or so until this thing squeezes. Okay, it's going to be very volatile, very, very on the edge of your seat. It's going to be a bloodbath, okay? These guys are going to fight like hell, okay, these hedge funds, because they have lost, we're into the trillions, I think, now. I think with all of them together, I think we're like 1 point something trill since the beginning of January. And we bankrupted over 55% of the hedge funds that actually have their fingers in this pie of AMC and GME. Okay, GME has lost a little bit of steam too. It's at $229. They are up 3.8% right now. We are actually holding this pretty good. I'm expecting this to drop down. I'm not going to mention the numbers because we don't want to jinx this, okay? I do believe in karma, okay? And if you watch my channel, you know I do. So we are holding this really good right now. Like I said, we got to fight. Oh my God, look at the volume coming in here today. Holy crap. I know I say that every day, but I sound like a broken record. But I just want you to know that things are getting very, very crazy with this. And I'm also going back to work next week. I got a dispatch from my union hall to go back to work. So yeah, guys, I'll be covering pre-market before okay, what's YouTube want now? They're saying I'm not supported for 4K, which is not supported for this configuration. Ew. Okay, it is what it is. Just give me a second. Hopefully everything doesn't crash. They want me to change my video resolution. Well, they can kiss my butt because I'm not frigging around with this while you guys are on there. There must be an internet feed problem. It is what it is. Warning, warning, error, warning. Okay, maybe I better check this because I don't want to lose you guys. Yeah, they want me to kick down. I guess I'm going to have to kick down to, I'm sorry guys, down to 1080p. And I can't do it in the middle of a stream, so they can kiss my butt. Okay, so back to this. Back to this beautiful stuff that we have in front of us. Okay, so we are at AMC, ticker symbol, Entertainment Holdings. We're at $30.71, and we're just bouncing around here. We are just unloading all of our trading platforms, and there's lots of them now. So what will happen is it'll take a little while to level out. Will have a serious fight. There's gonna be a bit of a bloodbath today, so be prepared. It's gonna be a fight like hell. This is different now. Okay, Wolfpack, this is getting very serious. I've covered lots of news. I posted stuff on my channel. If you've seen the videos that I put out, yeah, they're lost a substantial amount of money. They're losing their houses. They're losing their cars. They're losing a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, which is payback time since 2008. Okay, and I just wanted you to know, if you wanted to Google the Volkswagen squeeze. It was April 8th, 2014. Okay, you can do, there's charts in there and it will show you how this is going to go. There's usually, just so you guys are prepared, there's usually a huge dip in the market before it skyrockets, okay? So if we get a huge dip where it goes down really low, Wolfpack's not selling. And you know, with you've been on my channel for a while, to read between the lines. I can't tell you what to do, but just put it this way. If I was to sell, I would screw myself. Put it that way. You won't be able to get back in at these prices and stuff, and you might not be able to get shares eventually, right? Because they're getting pretty close to running out. They're capped out almost, right? Okay, we've already overturned 62.3 million already. We've only been open 4 minutes. Okay, we got a little bit more volume than on Friday. We ran out of steam on Friday. At the end, it was a battle like heck. But in the morning, we didn't have as much volume in the morning, right? And a lot of people ran out of steam, okay? But these are bigger orders coming in today. Like before, if you remember on Friday, and it could change because people are running out a little bit of money, right? And I don't recommend anybody taking loans out for this. Right? It is what it is. Okay, so look at this go. We have we're gonna have to get some consol here on the side. We're gonna need a little bit of side action here, guys, or else this just won't work for us. We need to set ourselves up right now, which will happen. I'm just gonna check to see if I'm on all the correct charts because I'm constantly doing homework for you guys. Yep, we are on the 1 minute. I just wanted to double check. Okay, I do use 1 minute. 1 minute's mostly for paper trading and stuff. I have said that multiple times. A lot of traders use the 5-minute chart. It's a little bit more accurate and there isn't as much fear mongering, okay, on the 5-minute. But we use 1 minute because we want to be up on the edge of our seats, right? So it is what it is. I just like to see stuff. I'm pretty good at reading charts, so I can predict stuff a couple, like about 10 seconds before it happens, right? I wish I could do it longer, but nobody can. But you can just use the indicators. Oh yeah, and all indicators are off the table, guys. We are in unforeseen territory right now. They're just guidelines, okay? So if you guys know how to read charts and stuff, obviously you guys would know that this is strictly just guideline stuff. These charts cannot compare to old data and figure it out and configure it and give us the information. It's irrelevant. And any of these trading platforms that want you to pay a monthly fee or a couple $100 to join, they're full of crap. Okay, there's nothing to go off of. Okay, and if it is, it's old information that they're trying to make it look like new. Okay, don't waste your money. Just put your money in AMC like I have and just kick back and get it. You might want to strap yourself into the seat because it's going to be a hell of a ride. Okay. AMC, $30.20 roughly, 15.44% is beautiful for this. If you look at the past history, usually I'm not going to mention numbers because I believe in karma, but usually we were down a substantial amount when these platforms have dumped. Okay, it's going to take a little bit longer to dump. We've only been operating for 7 minutes right now since the bell. I'm actually going to get a bell in here. Ding, 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 ding. Just for some geek stuff to do, right? So anyways, yeah, we're going to flip over to GME here. What we're doing is we're setting ourselves up beautifully right here. Okay, here's your buy signal. Okay, see this buy signal? See that, how it went up and it died? They're going to cross over these lines, MEA over the EMA. The EMA is going to cross. So that's going to be, we could get a little bit of a down action. We got to fight like heck right now. Look at that candle. Okay? Yeah, we're fighting. There you go, locked in on a green. Okay, so that's a signal of a buy right there, definitely. Even if it goes down here, we're going to get multiple greens. We have to get some consolidation here to drive it up. We have a substantial amount. We have millions of people that are fighting against us right now. Okay, so what we want is a little bit more consolidation to get. Remember what I tell you, that tailwind? You need that tailwind to get you up there, okay? Because this isn't a normal stock, as we all know. This is not normal trading. Anybody new? This is not normal. Do not learn off this stock. Do not use these techniques in other stocks. You will frig yourself up. You will screw yourself so bad if you start thinking, oh, this is the proper way of learning how to do a stock. No, 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 no. That's why a lot of people, nobody can predict this stock. Okay, I don't know. And if anybody says they can predict this, then just tell them to write me an email. And I am very curious into how they figure that out. Okay, their thesis behind this, okay, because it's just not happening. Okay, so we are going to jump into ticker symbol GME for a second here. We are trading at $228.33. They're actually holding their own too. They've gone down a little bit, a couple percent, but like they are getting attacked too. It's the same thing. Okay, these are multiple hedge funds that are actually teamed together and working together to screw us retail investors. We actually hold, I don't know about GME, but with AMC, we own up to 85% now. That's right, you heard me, 85% of all stock shares. Okay, anybody else? Like I said, it's hard for me to read the chat right now, but if you want to drop me a chat, you can. I cover other stocks here. It's just I'm running on a couple monitors today. I'm down a laptop, okay, which will be fixed. Okay, so we're just gonna let that go. Oh yeah, I'll read the numbers here for you. Sorry, volume. We're at almost a mil. Okay, we're almost gonna click to a mil here in the next 5 minutes. That's actually a fair amount of volume for this stock at this time right now, being in only 10 minutes. Previous close, the high was 483 on this. The low was $3.77. Imagine buying at that right now. Whoa. I know there's a bunch of people that still have that and they're still holding it, right? Okay, so we're actually going to go on the order flow chart here. We're going to check it out. I do have my eye on AMC right now. You're not missing anything. We're hit 12.60%. Okay, they're getting a little bit overpowered here on this chart. As you can see, inflow, outflow. Okay, we're not going to dive right there and doing a full analysis on it because we are going to jump back over to ticker symbol AMC. So, $29.25. As you can see, we're getting a little bit overpowered too. These numbers will change, okay? So, I just wanted to I know there's no news out. I just want to check options expiring here. Okay. This week there's some options expiring. There's one right here at 31,000. That's a lot of shares. There's another at 12,000. Yeah, we got some numbers expiring here. So that will drive the price up, guys. How is my video feed going? Oh, good morning, Kat. I think that's you. Yeah, it is. I'm sorry. I'm reading off of a phone. I'm down a tab, or I'm what a retard this morning. Here, just hang on. I'm down a laptop, Kat. So I cooked a brand new laptop again, a brand new Hewlett Packard. And I'm also back to work, Kat. If you weren't on here, good feed. Okay, thanks. Okay, it's saying that it's saying that warning. I'm getting YouTube's giving me warnings saying that I'm having issues with my 4K feed here. Okay, so people that just joined on, I am back to work. I got dispatched by my union hall to go back to work at $48 an hour, so I'm taking it. Usually I won't work for anything under that. So just because you guys mean more to me than that, okay? But I'm gonna take this job. It's they're paying me travel from my house. I'm just talking right now because AMC's not doing anything. We're gonna do a consolidation right now. Oh, I want to pull this off. I want to check some pivot points here. Okay, we are actually above par right now. Okay, these lines that I had drawn are just strictly my guidelines. We've already overseen this. Okay, these are just strictly me doing homework over the weekend. Okay, I was just checking some stuff out. I can actually pull that off there, but let's leave it there because then we have a guideline that we went over, right? So back to everybody that just got on, and that I'm going to still be covering this. Okay, I am going to buy today. I'm buying a Galaxy S3 watch to watch the stocks while I'm operating my machine. Okay, I'll have full feed. I'll have a flat screen TV on down below me, watching the full stock market while I'm operating my machine. Okay, so yeah. What we're doing is digging a tunnel in the city of Vancouver. We're digging a tunnel underneath the city for the railway. And I can't go into disclosure on that because it's all actually security. I have to go through 3 security offenses and get screened, and I got to do a breathalyzer and a drug test every day. So, it is what it is. I'm glad that I don't do drugs, or else I wouldn't be working there. But at least you can drink coffee, though, right? So I'll be covering this every morning before you guys. I'll be getting up about 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. I'll be doing about a 5 to 10-minute podcast in the morning for pre-market, setting you guys all up, okay? And then you can always shoot me questions, okay, through the day. I will be answering them, okay? I do get breaks. Okay, so we are setting ourselves up beautifully right now. We're banging around at $30 and some chump change here. We're at 14.85%. We are setting ourselves beautiful for a bit of a go here. We have three crows sitting here. Okay, we turn that into, if that wasn't there, that'd be 3 soldiers. Okay, we got 3 crows, that is a bearish sign, okay? Green followed by 3 candlesticks in the red is 3 soldiers. Or 3 crows, sorry. So, I'm just going to watch this for a bit. I do like what I see. Okay, I'm just checking out over all the stocks here, guys, on the left here to see what's, So anybody owning Microvision, you're having a good day today. It's at $16.68, 6.76%. Good for you, Cat. Okay. And Doge is banging around in the negative 1. See, I don't know about crypto right now. Crypto's all over the place right now. Like a lot of people are selling crypto to cover their asses in AMC, these hedge funds. So just be careful, guys. Be careful, Wolfpack. Okay, I just don't want anybody to get burned. Okay, just be careful what you're doing. Okay. And COVID pill is sitting up, and Tarna Ziaz is ticker symbol AEZS. Okay, it's sitting at $1.09. I'm actually down probably about $700 on that right now. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to go back up. I've made a substantial, I made probably 10 or 20 grand off that friggin' thing. I'm actually going to flip it and sell out. I'm pulling all my cards except a quarter out of that. I'm done with it. I would love for it to go up high today. I'd cash out and buy some more AMC, but I will not lose money. I don't do that. We don't lose money if we can help it. I'll hold that for 30 years. They're not just into the COVID pill. They're into some other stuff too. I'm not going to get into it too much here. Air Canada, if you're Canadian, is sitting really good right now. It's about 50% off. I bought $5,000 worth on your watch list. VT. Okay, we're just going to check something here. I'm very curious. I'm going to read this out first. AMC is at $29.77. We're sitting at 14% in the green right now. The volume is 90.66 million. We are doing beautiful, okay? I'm just going to jump over it because this is all what we're all about. We check out everything here, okay? I like actually using my Samsung phone better. It actually works out better here than the laptop. I don't have to reach out as far. Oh, it's this energy sector thing here. Oh, wow. They had a good go here this morning. 25%. This would be good to paper hand this little baby. Okay, let's check the past history out here. We're going to put this on a 30-minute chart. Oh. I don't like that, Cat. Sorry. I don't like that. I'm glad you're just putting that on your watch chart. Yeah, that's not good. I would stay away from that. I got a bad feeling about that. See how it jumped up? Consolidation jumped up. There's no past history. Okay? I don't know how old this company is. I don't know anything about it. Good company, but you don't know when it's going to go down and when it's going to go back up. Okay, back over to AMC here. I would just watch yourself on that. Okay? I would definitely watch myself on that one. And thank you, Kat, for bringing that. There is a lot of hype on it, but like you know, as we've talked before, those are the stocks you get stung on. Okay, I'm sitting on about 4 of them I got stung on. Okay, I'm substantially, I'm about 20,000 down on those stocks, right? But I got lots of. That's just one. That was one of them is. Oh wow, Loop Energy is sitting low today. I actually wrote them an email yesterday. Me and some guy got into it on Facebook about them. Some guy trying to tell me about it. And I said, buddy, they're 20 blocks from my house. Okay. And they keep on halting the stock every 10 minutes, which scared me. I would have bought in. I would probably dropped about 50G on it, but they scared me. And I actually talked to the CEO there, and he's a bit of an ass. So everything's green today. Some are sitting at par. This is the one that I got stung on. Cobalt, fused cobalt, which I should have known. The Canadian government's involved. Anything the government's involved with, stay away from, okay? You should know that. Same with the state. Stay away from it if the government's sponsoring or boasting it, okay? Stay the hell away from it. This is when I first started trading, okay? About a year and a half, 2 years ago, okay? So, those are the two that I'm sitting on a substantial amount of money. I'm about 83% down on these. So don't feel bad, guys. No, I will never sell them. Not at that price. I won't even take a hit. I got my bells sit on that. Okay. Everything's doing good. Good for Sundial. Sundial is one of our major grow sectors up in Canada. Okay. They're buying up everything. This will help them. This was sitting when I covered it back at 76 cents, or 80 cents like a couple weeks ago. It's actually not doing that bad. Okay, Suncor, if you don't know what that is, ticker symbol SU. It is Canada's energy sector. Okay, this is one of our main ones. I do own money in this. They pay a good dividend. Okay, we're going to jump back over to AMC here, and I will slowly start feeding information about stocks. channel is all about educating people, okay? And the reason why I'm reading Canadian stocks out is because, as you know, a lot of my friends, probably like 60-70% of them are American, okay? I would like them to make money. If you buy into Canadian stocks, they drive up easy, and you get almost a quarter more, okay? Because they're so cheap for the American dollar, okay? That's why I'm covering it like that. I just want to, I've made a lot of good contacts since I started with this channel, okay? There's a lot of beautiful people in this world, okay? So, AMC, we're at 31.04 right now, $18.56. Oh, wow. We're already over 100 mil. Cool. We're just smashing the numbers today. We're just smashing it. We're back up to 20%. We did it a bit of a dip. This was your guys' we had a buy-in here, man. That's where you guys, I should have bought. But that's up to everybody there. We're not pushing anything on this channel. If we could just even hold this today and lock in, what a success. What a friggin' success. The Wolfpack's bank account is like so high right now, with everything in the green, and it's just, I can't wait to donate this, and it will be all done live, okay? I can't wait. I haven't called any places yet to tell them, because I don't like promising things, because what will happen is if something happens to happen, I'm not talking about the AMC, but I would have to pay out of my own pocket, because I don't set people up like that. For new people getting on the channel, you can hit the sub button down below, and we're going to be covering this every day. Even through the squeeze, we're going to be covering it all. I do have real time. I'm going to be monitoring this 24 hours a day, okay? And to my subscribers, you'll be getting an email when this thing squeezes. That's one of the perks. And same as when it starts to sell off, I will be sending a notification out here to tell you guys to watch it. And we will be selling live. The Wolfpack will be selling live, okay? Even if I'm doing it on my machine, if I'm at work and I'm selling, I might even do it out of a porta-can if I have to take off because of safety protocol on the job site. I'll be doing it out of one of those outhouses and doing a sell live, okay? I'm not letting you guys down, okay? You guys are my brothers and sisters, okay? Okay, we're at $31. We're just smashing around in there a bit. We're about 10 cents over. Okay, so let's get in on some information here about this stock. Let's start some talking here, because we can watch this. We can actually, oh wow, Loop Energy went back down to 720, didn't I? I called that too. It's probably. I've noticed that there's a little bit of people on here on this channel now, and if I mention this stock, it actually goes up a little bit. Or down. I've noticed that on some stuff. So not that we're a huge channel yet, but it's just that word travels, right? And we have pretty factual information. Like I don't feed you guys crap, right? I try not to. Oh, and if you're getting feedback from the dog barking in the back, I'm sorry about that. It's just that it's getting very hot in this office right now, and it'll be nice when it's really hot in the summer, that when I'm broadcasting at 4 in the morning for you guys. 3-4 in the morning for you guys, I'll be doing a nice pre-market for you guys. I'll be setting you guys up for a good day, okay? So and sorry, I wish I could go into the market like we are now and stick around for an hour with you guys, but like I will be shooting podcasts after hours. Like I'm working 12 hours a day, 6 days a week, okay? Plus my drive time. We're looking at about 14 to 15 hour days, 6 days a week. So for camping is off the table. I talked to my wife. She's okay. She's totally cool with it. We just bought we got a $60,000 RV we bought 2 years ago, right? Well, it's not brand new anymore. Well, it's in pretty good shape. But yeah, we usually go out for 40 days, 50 days a year, right? But she's okay with it. She understands. I got to work and build a pension, right? COVID hit us all really hard. So anyways, enough about my personal life. We're at $31.28. Ticker symbol AMC, Entertainment Holdings. We're now at 111 million shares have been bought, and we're having a bit of a go here. So, like I said, we're setting ourselves up for a run right here. See, and then right here. If we can keep on doing this all the way up, that's how you roll. Okay, that's what we do. That's how you make money. That's how it stays up higher, and it's harder for the hedges to drive it down. Okay, just when you have, for the example, and thanks once again, Kat, on NT or VTNR, a little early still. Can you guys see me at all? Shit, I didn't even notice that. I don't even have my lights on. I will be back. I'm sorry. Sorry about that, Wolfpack. Oh my God, getting a little creepy on you, eh? So, oh wow, oh that was good luck. Maybe I'll get up and leave again, okay? Because it just went up 2% since I jumped up and went back. We're at 20% right now. Yes, yes, yes. This is beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful. What a friggin' good day so far. I was wondering why it's so dark. See, I have these nice curved screen monitors, so it was nice for me. Maybe it's better with the lights off, is it? Oh yeah, so I got to go for a urinalysis today for this job. Urinalysis and a lift test for an hour. I have to do a stress test, they call it. So pretty crazy stuff, what they do for jobs nowadays. But it's good though, because I don't want to be around somebody that's drunk and all high on drugs working, right? Too dangerous. I do want to come home at the end of the night and talk to you guys. So I'm just looking over at the scanner here on my portfolio. We're still okay. Two things are in the red. Canopy Growth, which is another marijuana stock, is down. That's why I always tell you guys to stick with Sundial. Okay, yeah, everything's doing their sell-offs this morning, and now GameStop's at 231.51, 4.28%. Okay, they're actually coming up a bit. So, I'm just giving you guys heads up. Be prepared to get attacked in the afternoon with this bloodbath here with AMC. Okay, they're gonna attack the shit out of us today. Okay. Right now, these numbers are getting so high. You guys, some of you probably understand how it works, but this is the percentage it goes up, and what it is, it's times plus what they're borrowing at, and then what the interest is a cost to borrow. Sometimes they're set up to where they borrow privately, they're paying a percentage too. So say, I don't know if it's legal, but I know they do it. Okay, so I know that they'll sell the stock. Okay, they'll buy the stock, they'll borrow the stock off somebody through like a trading platform, and that's the percentage you see up on these things, cost to borrow, right? But then people can also charge them interest too, like personal interest. If you know the person or you talk to them on the phone and say, hey, I'm going to charge you another 5% or 10% on that to cost to borrow, right? I don't know how you collect the money, but I know it's going on. I think that's part of dark pool stuff, right? So yeah, they're and yeah, it's just bad. It's just pretty scary, man. I that's why I say, guys, don't be taking loans out on this stuff. And if you are, make sure you're locked in a low percentage or something. Okay, I'm not for it. I don't sponsor that. Okay, but just watch taking loans out to buy into this stuff. We don't want you to get hurt. Okay, so this is beautiful. We're getting some console here on the side here. Beautiful stuff. Does anybody else want me to cover anything else? And everybody else that's just got on right now, congrats. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. Like I said, hit the sub button if you want to see more. We are going to be covering this right till the end and beyond. This is now our stock channel. We're all in on this, man. Like after this, it's just we have so many stocks now to cover. And our portfolio is growing substantially amount. And the people that are copying verbatim on it, I'm glad that you're making some good money because the Wolf Pack is making large cake right now. Okay, we do have our down slopes, right? But right now, even when I'm sitting in the red, I'm still doing good. So I'm popping some of this stuff off here. I'm gonna keep that one that Kat was watching there. I'm just going to keep that here. And if you guys give me ticker symbols to watch, but if you don't log back on, I do remove them. If I don't see you in the chat for the week, I will take the stuff off the side. Okay. It's just, I only have so much room. Okay. I'm going to jump over to right now. I'm jumping over to ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry. BlackBerry is, as you know, is one of my favorite ones. It's at $13.13. Wow. That's a weird number. Right. So it's 5.89%. This one you want to put on the 30-minute, okay? Because they don't move that much. They've already moved 2 million. Holy crap! Usually it's nowhere near that. So BlackBerry is a why did it jump down so far here? Huh? Weird. They must have had a little bit of a sell there. So anyways, I wanted to tell you BlackBerry is the next Tesla, and you can laugh at me, but I'll talk to you in 2 years on that one, okay? Or a year and a half in that one. You'd be like, oh, how'd you know that? So we're going to go back over to AMC here. I'm just going to hit the refresh button because in case we have a data lag. We're at $30.40. We keep on bouncing in this range. If we can hold this range for the day and then at the end power hour drive it to them, because they're going to be driving it to us, okay? Things are going to get really, really frigging on the edge of your seat later today. I will be watching that I'm going OEG halted. What for? Like a shock halt? Like, does it tell you? I don't know. Kat, what platform are you using? Are you using Webull or Yahoo Finance? Somebody tried telling me that Webull is and Yahoo Finance are on 50-minute delays. I'm like, what? Are you on the moon or something? I know Simple and those zero commission trading platforms are on a 15-minute delay. The reason why they do that is they want you to buy their package, right? Because they only make money on Yahoo. Okay. Yeah, Yahoo is fine. I use Yahoo too. It's just the problem why I don't use Yahoo is it doesn't have as much color for broadcasting. Okay, there's nothing wrong with Yahoo. Actually, I like it a little bit better in some ways. It's just that with the color, with the candle charts, I like to use the hollow one. Okay, and the solid one, right? Which is hard to read. A lot of people don't know that. Okay, so I don't like to mess with people's heads too much. I try not to, anyways. It's up 70%. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have a look at that right now. It's halted probably because of volatility. I'm assuming. Okay, we're sitting at 15% right now. The whole channel is all about, what am I doing here? It's all about learning and checking new stock out. As you know, Kat is very active lady. OG, which one is it, Kat? Is it OGG? Oh, EG. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Energy sector? That's not that one. Oh, it is that one. Holy shit. What happened? Like, there must be news or something out there. Just bang, and there's a war going on this one. Are you must have your thing set up to Kat, you must have it set up to gainers and haters, right? I call it gainers and haters. Okay, I'm going to jump off this. I'm not going to do anything on this. This is pure pump and dump, guys. I'd watch yourself on this. We don't know how high it's going to go. If you got down here, you're doing good. Okay, that's a substantial amount. That's a good flip. I would dump that right now. Gone. Dump that and leave a quarter in, like what we always do about that time. And then paper hand the shit right out of this one. That's what I would do anyways. Okay, I'm going to go back over to thank you, Kat, and thank you. Anybody else want me to cover anything that they have their eyes on? I will do it. I will not be doing a full analysis on it and just ripping the shit out of it and diagnosing it and taking it all apart because I don't have the time to do that. But I will give you a read on something like that. That's definitely a pump and dump. And that can make you a lot of money, okay? I'm surprised I haven't seen JJ here this morning passing through. The little, just give me a second. My arm cramped. Okay, it's from not having enough coffee. Okay, I'm gonna check our pivot points here. Okay, we're about probably another 15 minutes here. We're gonna be about halfway between R1, resistance level 1, which those really need. I don't know. I take that with a grain of salt. All that stuff, right? If you've been reading stocks for a while and you've been watching stuff, you can pretty much do your own diagnostics. Wow. It's one of those days. What time are we sitting at? Wow, I love hanging out with you guys, man. You guys are awesome. Like, the time just flies by. So, we're at 30.40 right now. That is dollars. Yes, it is. And it's 16.46%. We are sitting so beautiful today. I know you'd like to see higher numbers, but this is good stuff. This is beautiful. This is what we need. If we can keep on doing this and have substantial days, low days in the red, expect the wave ride, okay? Yeah, we definitely have a fight right now. Okay, we're at 130.7 mil right now. The volume has slowed down a little bit, okay? We do have a lot of buys coming in, though. Less people are selling right now. I'm looking at the numbers, and I know everything. I always tell you, but take this with a grain of freaking salt, okay? All this crap on the side. This is it's just data, okay? And it's not factual data, okay? This is just rough guideline stuff. Excuse me. I blocked that sun. Ooh, it's getting bright out here today. It's nice out. So, what was I going to say? I forgot. Too early. And thank you to everybody that's just got on today. Good to see you. Welcome to CS Trades 101. We're glad to see you. And hopefully you had a good weekend, everybody. And it was a pretty serious weekend. Yeah, that's cool, man. There's a lot. I was watching on the news. A lot of good stuff happened this weekend. And a majority of people had good weather too. So you're gonna do you accept ladder attack on AMC and GME? Do you expect a ladder attack? Yes, I do. We had one we had one on Friday, guys. That was a full out frigging ladder attack. Speed trading, same thing. Here we go. We have the volume just doubled right now. Just as I looked over, and yes, I do expect a ladder attack. If you guys don't know what a ladder attack is, just go back into archives, into my videos under playlists, and look up. It would be Microvision, ticker symbol MVIS, ladder attack. That is a full out ladder attack. You can see it. The charts just start waving like this, and it's in real time too. It's frigging nuts, and very few people have the chance to see it in real life, and to definitely have it recorded. Okay, I've actually lent that video out to multiple channels. They've actually contacted me, and I give them permission. Not a problem, because I get the credits for it, right? Yeah, you can use that video. That's the thing with me. My videos are not locked in. As long as you mention my link and have my link there, I don't have a problem with it. And if not, YouTube will come after you, because it's all copyrighted. It's all branded. All my every word I say is branded. Okay, so my voice is actually voice recognition. That's what they do now with YouTube. Trust me, because I already got a warning with a copyright strike. By accident, I just had music playing in the background, and it picked it up. Right. So, yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, so ladder attack. So yeah, that's the thing on the ladder attack. Just if you haven't seen it, if you already did see it, but this is what I can't pull that back right now because actually, yeah, I can. Okay, let's go into this a bit here, because we're just sitting here, just bouncing around here. We're sitting there doing a sideways a G action. Okay, this is a ladder attack right here. Fuck off. Okay, this is a ladder attack right here. Okay, see how it went down in different levels? We'll bring that up. See that? We tried to consolidate, drive it up, just drove us down. Right to the bottom, right? So that is a ladder attack. Okay, the ladder attack, there's different way a lot, but some people are like, Cameron, you're wrong. No, I'm not actually. So, but because I get a lot of flack about that stuff. I always say it's always a ladder attack to you. It's always a ladder attack, but you got to look at the numbers because look at that. There's no reason why it drove down like that. Okay, we had the volume of 400 and some odd million shares. It doesn't drop. Okay, that they're speed trading. Ladder attack is speed trading, back and forth between hedges. They hate each other, hedge funds, but they hate us more. They will team up to like one hedge firm against another one and trade millions of frigging dollars worth of shares back and forth, so fast that it messes up the algorithm. Okay, and let's get back up here, guys. So I had to show you that. Okay, I love this. This is what makes my mornings. This is what. When in the morning when I'm back to work, guys, when I see this in the mornings, it puts a smile on my face because I know you guys are gonna have a good day even without me. Okay, and just know that I'm watching from the sidelines. I'm your guys' rock. Okay, I got your guys' back. I told you that. I'll never let you guys down. As far as I can control from a techie's point of view, because internet can go down, power, all that stuff. But don't worry about dead batteries and all that stuff. I got backup stuff. I just bought a backpack with a whole bunch of panels in it, or battery backups that plug right in, so I'll never run out of power. I went a little bit crazy at Costco the other day. So, AMC ticker symbol, AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're sitting at $30.20, 15.58% in the green. I like saying in the green. That's a good one, in the green. Because, yeah. We've been seeing a lot of that. Our statistics, that's what I was doing with some homework. We're actually about 80% in the green now. Compared to like previous, it was 80% in the red, as we all know, right? But let's not talk about that. So, what it's doing right now is obviously building up some steam here. Let's blow. Oh, whoa. Settle down. Why won't that jump ahead? There we go. So, yeah, we're getting some consol here. Yeah, it looks good. I like the day. We're holding in this range right about here. And we had one touch point, just a fraction of a second bounced off that, which is good. It was at 28.83. That's nothing. That'd be around about 12%, I would think. About 11% maybe. Somewhere in that area. But yeah, it looks like we're going to have a W. Looks like we're forming into a W probably here. If we can keep on doing this W all the way along here, would be good, right? Because that's the W is a bullish sign. Okay. Oh, there's one of my marks right there. That was one of my indicators that I was hoping we didn't go down on, but it is what it is. Just a guideline. Don't worry. It was just one of my guidelines. Okay. It's just that I had an alarm set for this. I have alarms set for stuff. And guys, don't worry about the ladder attack. Okay, it's just a part of their fucking bullshit. Okay. Oh, sorry for kids in the room. I'm sorry. I promised you guys I would mellow that out a bit. Not that I have to at all, because this is checked at adult only station. I have the box checked off, but still, I know a lot of you guys are watching your kids and stuff with COVID and stuff, so I told you I'd dumb it down a bit, right? And just out of respect, you guys don't need some guy swearing all the time, right? There's too much of that on YouTube, on some channels, right? F this, F that, then it's just, you can't even understand what the guy's saying because he's swearing so much. Okay, so our volume has slowed down, guys, and I'm surprised that they're not attacking the shit out of us right now. But yeah, our volume has gone down to like half of what it was. Okay? But so is theirs. But I think a lot of people are waiting for around power hour, and they're just going to hammer it to next year. And not one short position's been covered. They doubled down last week again, as we all know, because it's old information. And they've also not doubled down, but they're buying in more short positions. It's crazy. It's crazy. It was on CNBC News. And I did send a link out. So if you guys aren't members of Wall Street Breakers, which we're affiliated with them, it's the same as this channel. It's all the same stuff. You can find it in the description down below, and you can also hit the sub too if you guys want. We're going to be covering all this. We do cover live news too. So if you go into Wall Street Breakers, you can see if you go up and it says affiliate, CS Trades 101, Wolfpack, you'll see the Wolfpack emblem. Or if you go down the left-hand side, you'll see CS Trades YouTube channel. If you go in there, you can see links to when I find news, live news feed, and you can go in there. There's some cool stuff in there. I just can't post it on here because it's branded, right? And it's illegal. I can't do it. I'll get a copyright strike for sure. Like immediately, like just like that, because that channel has a substantial amount of subscribers in it, and they would rat me out. So, which I don't. I don't need their material. I like making my own, but I'd use it as just to know it's the hedge funds. It tells you how bad they're getting screwed over, and that's real information, right? So yeah, it's funny. You should go watch that video. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we got a little bit more volume. A little bit coming in now. A little bit more. Smaller orders though, because those now are okay. This is a sure sign that that the orders are done now. All the orders, because you can tell by the numbers. When you're seeing like 3,000, 4,000, that's not just people buying like me and you, right? That's a lot of money, man. I hope that you're not doing that, and I hope you're not spending your retirement on that, because that's what that would be, somebody dumping their retirement in there. Just watch what you're doing, okay? Have an escape route. And I know I'm your escape route for most of it, but you should have a plan B, okay? The other thing is, what was I going to say? Oh, I can tell by these numbers that this is their trading apps. In the morning, notice that the numbers are huge coming in here because they compile and then they all dump, right? But when you start seeing 100, 2, and you start seeing like 55, 50, 50, 50, 50, 100, 200, 700, 700, 700, that's retail investors buying, okay? And then when you see that on this side, that's them selling, unfortunately. Or if you see chunks of like 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 500, 500, 500, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, like that, that is them speed trading. That's a ladder attack, right? Like this one right here, that 10,000, that would be definitely somebody selling. And that would probably be an institution maybe is dumping a little bit of shares or something. But there's not that many people. Oh, yeah, I want to cover this, guys. We got a substantial amount of follow. Oh, stream is healthy and I haven't even touched anything. See, it's my internet. What time is it? Everybody must be going to work right now. That's what it is. Oh, ha! Now it went to air. Wow. YouTube, get your shit together. So we're at 15% right now, $30.07. And we are definitely looking good right now. We're holding our own. Like, seriously. Back in the day, we'd be down to like nothing right now, as you know that. Okay, here comes the volume. See, people are buying this bit of a dip, right? I know it's not a normal dip, but anything that goes down in price and holds there for a bit, for a minute or two, is called a dip. That's the definition of a dip. It's a higher price reduced, okay? And that's what we have, a higher price, what we opened at, right? And that looks good from here, actually. That's perfect. And if we can get that wave action like that, that is exactly what we want. We can just hold this for the day, the next day, and then what will happen is we'll open through the night, and this thing can go. This could possibly gamma squeeze at night. Okay, there's no shock halts at night. Okay, there's less rules. They can't halt it. They probably could. Because I'm not gonna put information on I don't know anything about. But there's less rules too, okay? It won't kick off the breaker, okay, to stop the stock, okay? So it could actually potentially start a gamma squeeze, which can turn into a full one when the market opens, okay? When people see it sitting at like 70% above, everybody wants in on it. It's FOMO, okay? And we're going to get some FOMO today. FOMO's fine, I don't mind it, okay? FOMO is just fear to want to be in on something, okay? I'm going to jump in on this because I noticed that we got a little bit of a go here down. And this will just go back up, no worries, because it's just, it's going to give some people a chance that don't have the money to buy, right? A cheaper rate. And our volume's kicked up. We're almost double the amount of volume coming in than 5 minutes ago. Just so you know that. Okay, we gotta, what are we hitting at? 12, 10? Have we been down this low yet today? Yeah, we have. We did. What was it, right? 28. Okay. So we do have a line right there. It's already, well, we're fighting like hell. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Stop messing with us. But we do. Sorry, I was talking and I cut you. I stopped talking halfway through. We do have lines of resistance here. Okay, set in place right now. It's about the $28 range. Actually, I'm just going to check that right now. I use this as a strictly guideline. I don't want you guys diagnosing this yourselves and getting yourselves into problems here. So what's sitting at? That's the thing I hate about this shit here. It's at 20 thing. Roughly 28. Yeah, exactly what I said. $28.74. So around that range, right? I'm just going to hit the refresh on here. You guys using Webull, you might want to hit that refresh a couple times a day. I've noticed it can lock on false information for you, right? I've just had that problem before. Okay, we're at 29.08. We've already overturned. We're actually not doing that bad for amount of volume. And this volume could be speed trade. It can be anything. Okay, that's not just a substantial of people just buying power. Okay, that could be buying, selling, speed trading, which is ladder attack crap. It could be a lot. Okay, remember, is it Friday or Thursday? 400 million shares went through here in the volume. That's a lot, okay? We're already at 158.80 million. That's not bad. We've been not even open 1 hour, okay? And we're going to stay on a little bit longer today for you guys just because I want... Oh, I'm going to stay on a little bit longer. I'll finish what I'm talking about because I just had something pop. This is with me. I have a calculating mind within money and numbers and that. When I notice something, yeah. So let's not go there. I'll try to kick back a bit. Okay, I'm going to stay on a little bit longer today just because I know you guys need me for the support, okay? Especially when things, and I felt bad the other day when it went down to like 1%. Okay, I felt really bad that I wasn't online, but you guys know, don't buy into this bullshit, okay? And that was a ladder attack, okay? Full out, okay? They just did it very sneakily, okay? So just don't buy into that and just don't screw yourself over. We already know this is worth gold, this stock. It's just common sense, okay? So, back to Yahoo, for instance. Yahoo, any of that stuff, Monopoly money, Monopoly, I'm saying it wrong, whatever. You know all those ads, Zacks Finance, all that crap that you get on your cell phones pop. Oh, forget this stock, forget AMC, forget GME. Don't listen to that stuff. Buy this, it's going to be worth more. They are diverting you. That is a hedge fund. If you see that, you block it with spam so it never comes up on your phone again. You don't need that. That's what they're trying to do. The average person, if they see something 8 to 10 times, they do it. It's weird that it's easy to alter the human mind like that in a lot of aspects, okay? Even the strongest people in the world get altered because of that crap, okay? So be careful. Don't be selling. I can't tell you what to do, but I'm not going to be selling anything because of that, okay? It's just a tactic that they're running out of stuff, okay, guys? Okie dokie doke. I'm just looking over at, see that one stock that where the OEG has already dropped 20%. Okay, you guys got to watch that. See, you would have lost money. I'm here to help you guys. Okay, I'm not here to, I'm not making money off you. I'm not getting anything from you. You guys are getting more from me than I'm getting from you. Okay, which is fine. That's why I built the channel. I'm here to help. as much as I can. Okay, we are down to 11% right now. We still haven't hit our low for the day. See, we got that line. We got that line of resistance there. Okay, it'll help us a bit. It can be punched through. We all know that. But at least we've already got something down there that we can work off of. Okay, and this, we're only open. We got a long day ahead of us. Okay, a long day ahead of us. I told you today was going to be a bloodbath. Okay, but like we still have like it's a long day, and the volumes come up. It's kicking up right now. This is what people are waiting for to buy. Okay, it was too high this morning. It was double. It was double. Like not the double price. The interest was double. Okay, the percentage. Sorry, correction. Okay, here we're see, we just punched through that line. Okay, so I told you that it can be put down. Okay, so we're gonna zoom in here and have a closer look here. Fuck. I hate this chart sometimes. Pisses me off. So anyway, sorry about that. My little outburst. So yeah, this is what this will, all it will do is going to cause a trading war. Okay. Like right now, look at the frigging volume coming in now. It'll take about 3-4 minutes for those trading platforms. There it goes. It's pushing it. Here we go. Just wait. And it's going to go way back up there again. Okay. And yes, they're ladder attacking us right now. That's exactly what's happening. There's nobody in their right goddamn mind would be selling it right now. There we go. It usually takes about up to 5 minutes before these platforms to get them onto the market, right? Because you gotta put the information in, and then it's got to process it. Then they got to see what shares. They got to lock in on the share. Then they got to get a computer or it's a person on the floor to do it. Most of it's not people in the floor anymore, but the hands up selling. Oh. It's mostly trading platforms, okay, that do it. There's a lot of simulators that do it for us now. There you go. There you go. See, we're already up 1%. Here we go. Yeah, it's going to be like this, like a roller coaster. See, the thing is, when this does squeeze, we're going to be jumping between like $50. Trust me on that. $20, $50 segments. Gung, 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 gung. It's going to be like something you've never seen before. You're going to be like, holy crap. Like, look at this friggin' thing go. That's why you can't, well, you can do whatever you want. But I'm going to be here to help you guys out with that. Okay, I'm going to be here to support you and to stop you from making a dumb mistake. Okay, you can do whatever you want. I only can do so much on this end, but I'm going to try to be explaining what's happening. Okay, I'm going to be showing you past history. When this thing starts going up $100, down $100, up $100, down $100, you have to remember that's like 10% when we're in multiple thousands. Okay, and I did say that. Yeah, multiple thousands. This could go to when it squeezes. It could. Okay, not saying it's going to. Okay, let's be crystal clear on that. Just because I get trolls coming on that start bugging me about that stuff. You said this, you said that. Well, buddy, go somewhere else. Like, beat it, right? I get sick of that after a while. That's what bothers me, that type of stuff. It's just that they try twisting what I say around, and it's just, I know what I say. I have it all recorded on a video, right? So you can't, people try twisting my shit around on me, and I have it on video, and it's all recorded, so it's kind of impossible to do. It's just irritating. So enough about that. I'll stop whining. I vented for my day. So now we had some big orders coming in here now. You guys seeing that? These are those platforms right now. Do the math. It's going to be a massive... Yep, it is. Yeah, it is. Yes, it's going to be we're a part of something that will never happen again. And yes, I did say that. And yes, it's recorded. This will never happen again because the laws have changed behind us. Okay? This is, yeah, it's going to be frigging nuts. Okay? And the laws have changed. Like I just repeated that. But behind us. Like literally, like weeks behind us, days behind us. We are setting rules where they're changing it because they never noticed this before. We are under a fucking microscope right now, okay? Pardon my language. I got to watch that. But yeah, we are. We're under a frigging microscope right now. We are being watched by the world, okay? This is a little template test project for the government, okay? The Congress is watching this right now, okay? And they can't change the rules ahead of time. They got to give notice as we go. We're hitting new data, everything. It's just crazy. So I want everybody to be rich off of this. And yes, I will be doing this. There's a Wall Street Breakers is gonna. I've already invited a bunch of people. We're renting a resort, which we do every year. Okay, down in Mexico. And you guys are all welcome to come. I'll be broadcasted. There will be security there, okay? Just so you know, to come talk to me and stuff. I will have security guards around me, okay? So, but you're welcome to come, okay? And we're going to have a section of the resort rented, the whole, like, yes, you heard me correctly. I've done this before with my family, okay? We go down there. I'm not going to disclose the location right now, but you're welcome to come, okay? And you have to pay for your own stuff and stuff, but the drinks and all that stuff, it's all free. It's all inclusive, right? But yeah, and I'll of course I'll be buying dinner for everybody. I'll buy for everybody. I don't mind doing that, even if it's 5-10 grand. Okay, I don't care if this thing squeezes. I'm a multimillionaire, and so are you guys, right? So depends on how high it goes, right? I could be a multi-millionaire, right? I already know I'm gonna make a mill already, right off the top. I already know that, right? And you guys should know that too, right? Just crunch the numbers, like it's just common sense. Right? If it hits 1,000, I'm a multi-millionaire, a millionaire. Oh, I just lost my stream. Shit. Oh, did I lose you guys? No, I guess not. It says I did. It says my stream dropped. So I don't know. I don't know what the frig is happening with all this. Why it's such bad data. It's all good. If it dropped, guys, I think it reconnects automatically. So sorry about that. Anyways, I'm just going to keep on pushing forward here. Enough of that. So AMC, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings, which is a beautiful thing. I'm seeing green all over the place. I like green. So $29.56. It's getting very volatile right now. We are getting very angry. Retail investors are buying in right now, big time. Okay, what we need is a big institution to buy in right now. A couple million shares would fucking put us to the moon. So, anyways, back to reality. We are above my line here. The line I drew, it actually touched that and punched through a bit. There's a reason why I had that line there, okay? Is because of that reason. I did a little bit of math and stuff. I'm not going to get into the thesis behind my homework. It's there for a reason, and that's why it's there. I predicted that level way before, like 20 hours before, okay? So, and I don't share that personal information with, that's my personal trading information. So I'm going to be writing a book, and yes, you heard me correctly, on how to manipulate the market, how we can manipulate the market, not hedge funds or anything like. That's why I'm saving this data and stuff. It's just a thesis that I'm doing on the side. It'll probably take I don't know when it's going to be released. I'm going to have to pay somebody actually to do it. I'm just going to give them all the information, but it's really good. And if you guys, when I get close to publishing it, if you want the Wolf Pack, the members that did subscribe and come into it, into the channel very early, you can send your pictures in. Okay, you can be part of the portfolio at the end. That's illegal. What's up? What's illegal? Ladder attack? That's legal. Sorry, appreciate life. Julia, Stefan. What's illegal, my friend? You got me all curious now. Did I do something illegal? And if I did, probably. Oh, yes, it is. It is illegal. Manipulating the market. Yes, it is illegal. But what I'm trying to, the book is me pointing out how to manipulate the market in a way like, in a legal aspect, what hedge funds do to it. It's just the name of the title, like how to because they do it to us. That's what I'm saying. I'm not teaching you how to manipulate the market. Okay, let's be clear on that. It's just like ladder attacks and all the crap that they do to us. That's the name of the title, how to manipulate the market. Like to point out what has been done to us. These laws are getting changed behind us, so it's going to be really hard. But yeah, they're manipulating the market today. They've already manipulated it 50% of the time today. But anyways, here we go. We're getting a bit of a go here, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, $29.40. And we are at 12.40%. And we're at 174.76 million shares right now. The volume. We're at 13.26 billion. That's our market cap. Okay. And we've overturned 38.87%. And free float is 448.3 million. And the shares, just hang on a second here. I gotta check something here. Oh, shares up. Okay, there, that's a little bit better. Okay, shares out. The shares out, this is just a ballpark. This is not correct information. I know that for a fact. Okay, there's no way that they would know every platform and everything going in the world. This is shares out is 450.28 million. Okay, that's, yeah. You understand how this works. So we're at 13%. We're banging around in that area. I told you guys we'd come back up. Okay, it's just the way it's gonna be. It's just the way it is. Oh, dude. Okay, I'm gonna jump over to I'm just gonna check what else is doing good on our portfolio here. Okay, I'm just gonna read some numbers off here. I'm gonna jump over to GME here. They're actually doing pretty good right now. Okay, GME, ticker symbol GME, GameStop, $238.28. Okay, they're at 7.33% right now. They've doubled what they did. Last time we were here, they were at about 2 to 3%. Good for you guys. Okay, I do not have stake in this, but I do cover it. This is what opened all of our eyes up to. This is what opened my eyes up to. It put AMC under the spotlight for me. Okay, so we are going to read some numbers here off of the chart, and we're going to actually pull this over because I want you guys to be able to see it and not be guessing. So the high was today was at 244.78. Okay, the volume is 3.78 or 3.74 million. Okay, that's the total volume. Market cap is 16.79 billion. Okay, we've already overturned 5.29% today. Okay, the shares out are 70.77 million. Okay, free float is 56.59 million. Okay, and they're having a good day. This thing trades in smaller volume. Everything's smaller scale. Okay, and this is pretty good for today. And this thing could rip too any day. Any day. This thing's set up for a squeeze too, a potential squeeze. Okay. Any other questions? Appreciate life. Throw something out there. Talk to me. You got some good stuff. You're smart. We were engaged in some good convo the other day. Let's check out this SOS thing here. SOS Limited, $3.50, 3.86%. This stock is caught my eye. It actually has another push up. Not bad. Somebody mentioned this out to me. How's the squeeze? On what? Sorry, be a little bit more clear on that. You have to remember, I've only had half a cup of coffee. Okay, so I'm just scanning that. I'm not gonna go too much into this. It was trading higher a couple days or a couple days ago. Do we expect it on AMC today? No, I don't see that. Not enough volume, guys. Not enough volume. I'm sorry about that, but let's go back here to AMC. I'll show you why. Okay, let's count some numbers up here. Just gonna see what's coming out and what's going in. So we got 4.5 mil here. AMC is the bomb for sure. It's the shit. Okay, but we need volume, and we do have a lot of volume coming in. But there's some things in the catalyst that we got to remember here. Okay, we are getting a bit of a go here. We're gonna have to get back up to these levels. We're gonna have to. We're in an area where yes, it could possibly squeeze. Okay, we just need the timing right. We need the volume in here. Okay, now that we've had that share. Oh yeah, I want you guys all to pat yourself on the back. You're doing a beautiful job, and this is coming from me. And to my followers and stuff. Like I love you guys, man. You guys are awesome. Okay, and I want to tell you that you're doing a very, very good job holding this. I know it's very hard on the brain. Okay, and this will reward you good. Okay, doing that. And I wanted to say that the share count is being done tomorrow. Okay, we will have some numbers probably in a couple days after that. Okay, I want to be crystal clear. It's only Canada and the States that are getting the count. I know it's kind of weird, like why aren't other places getting it? But that's the way it is for some reason. I don't know why. I was kind of a little bit upset over that too, but it is what it is. And the share count will be good. It will expose a lot of things, and that could potentially drive it into a squeeze. Okay, because it's putting us all in the news. The more news coverage we get, it's weird. The more news coverage we get, the more people want in on this. We want FOMO. That's what we need. We need some more FOMO on this. I know you're like, but that's the opposite. But if you think about it, just think about that one for a while. FOMO is people wanting and fear of not being part of something. Okay, we want people that are in their retired age, grandmas, uncles, cousins, aunts. We want those people to become aware of this and to want in on it. Well, if they all of a sudden, I want in on that, and they buy in, that's our volume that we need. We need extra volume. People that have never been in on this before, newcomers. That's what will drive it up. Okay, that'll put us into a squeeze. Okay, straight up. Or if Musk tweets it, we're in a squeeze. Guaranteed. That would do it right there. Guaranteed that would put us into a gamma. That'd put us into a gamma squeeze, which would put us into a squeeze. Okay? Because a squeeze, they have to cover their short positions for a squeeze. A short squeeze, nobody's covered any positions yet. So it can't squeeze. It can go into a gamma squeeze. It can't go into a short squeeze. Okay? There's two different things there. And gamma squeeze can kick a short squeeze. Yes, it can. It's happened before. It's happened lots before. But to have a short, like a squeeze, okay, there's three different things here. There's a gamma squeeze, okay, which we had a bit of one the other day. Okay, when it went up to the 40% mark and up and down in there, and we were like, holy crap, that was a baby gamma squeeze, okay? Then we have the gamma squeeze, and then we have a full gamma squeeze. Baby gamma squeeze, and then a full gamma squeeze, okay? Then you have a squeeze, just a normal squeeze, okay? And then you have a short squeeze. Short squeeze is the shorts that are covering their positions. When the shorts start covering their positions, it's going to go frigging nuts, okay? That is a short squeeze. They have to cover, and they haven't covered any positions yet, which is good because it's going to make it more violent when it does. They are going to. It's going to be awesome. I'm not going to go into it because I keep on rehashing that, and you guys probably are getting sick of it, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Oh, everybody do a stretch. Everybody do a stretch. Oh, I'm getting too old for this, guys. I'm getting too old for this. Oh, it's all good because we're all going to be retired after this. Right, Wolfpack? You know it, and I know it, and you know it, and I know it. That's why we're a good team together. So we are hitting it at our time frame here, guys, and I'm going to leave you on a good note here. I'm going to leave in about a couple minutes here. I'm leaving you guys on a good note here. We're at $29.67. Okay, and I know I left you guys the other day, and we're not even going to talk about that. It went down to some people could afford to buy. Let's put it that way. Okay, it's impossible to have Green Day forever. Okay. It is, okay? But that actually opened us up to a lot of media attention, okay? Too. So what I wanted to say, I'm going to leave you on this note. We're at 13, almost 14%. Okay, we're just slapping around at 13 and at 3/4 to 14%. And I'm going to leave you on that note, okay? I'm waiting for red. What, to buy more, right? Yeah, probably. Yeah. I know you want to get some more, get it on deal. I know how it is. That's the thing. Yeah. Aw. Yeah. Just, I can't tell you what to do. Obviously, you know that you've been one of, we've been friends for a while now, right? So you've been on here for a couple of weeks, probably even longer than that, since we started talking. And, oh yeah, I was looking at your stock there. Was it naked? Oh, GME too, naked. It is. You just type naked up there. See, and out of all of my subscribers, I remember you too. There's a big handful of you that I know. Okay, and I wanted to check that before we go. I wanted to check naked. I was actually looking at that. You have me interested in that. See, I paid attention to my subscribers. Okay. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, this is a buy day. Oh yeah, I'd buy. If it was me, I'd buy. Okay, you're getting some good signals now on this stock. Okay, the other day, with it up like this was very concerning to me. Okay, to be honest with you, I always tell you the truth, but that's why I said I needed a couple days. I needed this to play itself out a bit. Okay, you're getting quite a bit of volume here. I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you the take on this now. Okay, now that more volume's coming in, and I had a chance to look at this, I dug on this deep. Okay, they have good news. Okay, we're not going to get in the news because it's so much of it. Okay, here's what you look for. This was concerning. Okay, because there's nothing. There was. Oh, let's put that back. Sorry, there's nothing here. Okay, but there was some news that came out that drove it up. I asked and nobody knew. What? Well, I don't know. It doesn't make sense that a stock goes up like this. Okay. But there was news that came out, some good news. Okay. Well, that's it. That's why it drove it up. Okay. That's legit. Okay. So let's blow this up. Okay. What I like to see here is we have a bullish trend here. Okay. Followed by this, we had a bit of a sell-off, which it's not a sell-off. It was a consolidation. The market was trying to find its limit, where it was going to sit at. Okay? It's been holding this range, which is strong. That's a strong sign. Okay? It's been holding that same level consistently, though. Okay? Then it slowly went. It didn't dive. Okay? That's another positive. Okay? That's something I look for. Okay, it's in a buy day right now. So it went back up. Okay, market open. Yeah, market open. Is that market open? Yeah, it is. It went back up. There's people that are interested. That's another positive. Okay. So right now it's just finding its level, and it didn't punch through this new level again. It's down today, and it's not continuing to go down, which is another positive. Okay, that's my wrap on that, guys. There you go. I told you I'd look into this for you. So there. This stock right here, like I said with every stock, beware. But at this price right now, this is when the Wolf's Pack, because I'm in on AMC so deep. If I started buying other stocks, it would. I feel like I'm letting my subscribers down. Not a problem. You're welcome. Well, thank you. But yeah, what I would do is if I can't buy another stocks right now because I always do live when I buy, and I don't lie and manipulate people. Okay, so I'd have to disclose that, and I don't feel like I'm robbing the AMC pot holders. Okay, but afterwards I would definitely I'm gonna buy. I'll probably buy $5,000 worth of this. Okay, after I cash out my AMC, once it's done, right? Once the squeeze is over with. Okay, when we're on our down rope, I will be spending about $100,000 on stocks. Okay, that's what I do, and that's how I do it, right? But I'm going to be spending that all over the place. And that's potentially if it goes up to the millions. Okay. That's if it goes up to the 1,000 plus, I'll be dumping that kind of money. I have to, or else the tax man's going to come after me. And I'll show you guys how to do that. How to not, I got to watch what I say, not hide your taxes, reinvest till you don't have to pay as much taxes. Okay. So we have to be crystal clear on that. I don't want the government, the IRS coming in, Revenue Canada coming after me. Okay. For saying that live. We're not manipulating and stealing their money. Okay, we're just using it as tax shelter, tax break. Okay, we're going to cover AMC one more time and I'm out of here, guys. Okay, so we are using Webull, as we all know, as the ticker chart. We got it on a 1 minute. We're going to hit the refresh here. Okay, we're still in that same level. Okay, we are looking so beautiful today. I love it. Even if we cash out right now for the day, that is a successful day, and I think you'll agree with me. Okay, we are at $29.37. We're at 12.48% in the green. Okay, and to top it off, we've gone through 186.3 million shares. This is friggin' awesome. Okay, we've overturned, which is lower than previous days, but we're very young in the day. Okay. We've only been open an hour and almost a half, an hour and 20 minutes, which is huge. Okay, as I say that, the volume's just kicked up. Okay, so people definitely have bought that bit of a dip. Okay, and I want to clarify a dip. Okay, dip means from a higher price to a lower. Okay, that's all that means. Okay, so outstanding shares were still outstanding. That has not changed. It won't change until later on. If it does, actually it just did. 450.28 million. Okay, the free float is 480.3 million too. Roughly about the same. Okay, guys, love you lots. And take her easy, Wolfpack. Keep it real, guys, and I know you are. Because it's obvious you're keeping it real. Okay? And just be careful. Watch the media. Don't listen to the negative stuff, okay? They're trying everything they can, okay? The last thing they can do is hit us with media and try to screw our heads, okay? Don't listen to it. If you need some positive stuff, go back and just start watching my older videos, okay? Get some positive hype going on. Watch this again, because this is leaving on a good note, okay? If you feel upset, sad, or anything like that and having a bad day, jump on CS Trades and watch some videos, okay? It's all uptake positive stuff. So if you're new to the channel, hit the sub button. We cover this. We cover pretty much every stock and any stock that you want to cover. You just put the ticker symbol up there in the feed and I will cover it on a live stream, as you can see. And thank you to everybody. And thank you for becoming a Wolfpack member. And if you want to use wealthsimple.com for $10 in free Canadian stock, if you want, that's for Canadians. There's a code, an activation code on the bottom. You have to put $100 or more into it to activate it, and that's your referral, and that'll get you $10 worth of free stock or $10 Canadian, and you can do whatever you want with that. Okay, for American, you can use Webull. Okay, and you just click on the app on your phone, download Webull, and that's it. That's it on that. If you're American, we don't cover UK, we don't cover other stuff. Okay, so anyways, you guys have a good day and take it easy. And I will see you here tomorrow morning at the same time. Okay? And you have a great day. Keep it real. Over and out.